Many nice people may have encountered this situation where the pull tab of the zipper falls off during wearing. When the pull tab falls off, it can lead to the zipper being stuck, unable to go up or down. You see, no matter how you try to pull it, the zipper doesn't budge. This happens because its self-locking feature kicks in, and the zipper head gets stuck here. Sometimes, in such situations, you might feel like tearing the pants apart. Today, I will share a little tip with you. In case you encounter this situation, we only need a regular toothpick to solve it. Just insert the toothpick into the hole of the zipper pull tab. Once inserted, try again. Good. This way, you can easily pull the zipper down. If you don't have time to replace the zipper, we can use this method to pull the zipper back up. Don't you find this method very simple? Subscribe and share. That's all for watching today's video. Thank you all.